Sir, hindi po ba nakulong po kayo almost 7 years, sir? Nung, si General Garcia po halos napatunayan na po yata na nag-plea bargain na po siya, umamin na po siya. Sana po, sir, makulong naman din po siya.
Yes, I was incarcerated for 7 years and 5 months. And si General Garcia, nakulong yan for 6 years. Nakasabay ko yan sa Camp Crame for more than 2 years. And kaya nga makikita mo yung kanilang plano actually. Nag-plea bargain siya. He pleaded guilty to a lesser offense para time served na. Meaning yung 6 years niya na pagka-detain will be credited and therefore he will now be scot-free. So yun yung kanilang script. And for now, it's playing out.